Alright, welcome to my demo. I'll show you this project I made. It is basically a password based security system using an LCD and an LCD, a microcontroller and a keypad. So it would ask me to enter the password in the first place, and I would show you some quick things it can do. So let's say enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say I don't want, I just want backspace. I can just use this as a backspace, so it goes, yeah, it clears the characters, and I enter it again, enter what I want to enter again. So 1, 2, 3, C, B, A. What if I don't want CBA, or what if I don't want this password? I just use this, and this would clear everything totally. So now print it out again, and I can just start afresh. So 1, 2, 3, and then just use CBA again. Okay, CBA, and then when I press this enter. So it asks for confirm password, and I'll enter the same password as I just entered for CBA. Now it asks for the date of birth. By the way, there's a green LED, there's a yellow LED, and then there's a red LED. Both of them each of them have different are displayed at different time. So if someone in the confirm stage, when it is confirming a password, if it is correct, it will display the green. If there's some kind of mistake, it will display the yellow, and when there's like something that's totally wrong, it display red. But yeah, so let me enter the date of birth. The tax 0 to 0 3 and 0 8. All the ones counts with so, and I can just enter it again. 0 8, and obviously I'm not that young. So on the phone number also 0 8 1 5 8 6 9 8 3 6 5. Then go to the main menu. So by the way, as I enter each of those things, as I input my password, my date of birth, my phone number, it stores it inside this microcontroller. So even if the power is switched off, those information would still be inside the microcontroller, so they will not be lost. So it's not volatile data. So essentially, it has a greater form of security as it's being stored inside the microcontroller. So this is the main menu, and I can choose either to create a new password or log in. So let me log in, or no, let me create a new password rather. So it asks for the current password. That's 1 2 3 C B A. As you can see, as each character was being typed, it replaces an asterisk as a form of security. So press enter, then it goes to this. So it asks me to enter a new password essentially. So I enter 0 7 8 9 4 to confirm that new password. And so let me just try 0, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5. Perfect. And perfect. And as I've just done that, it brings me back to the new menu, whether to log in or to go away. And in this case, I'll log in. So let me enter the new password. That's 0, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, and it says welcome. So essentially, I'm being welcome. New user created by Bukom. That's me, and that's all. So essentially, that's it. That's how the code works. There are more things I added to it, like I added, if when logging in, if the user fails to get password correctly 3 times, then essentially, let me just run it. Essentially, if the user fails to enter the password correctly at the login stage 3 times, then it would ask you to confirm the date of birth, the phone number, and all those things. And once you're able to enter those things, it will now take you to create new password. So I think I can show you that in the next video.